Welcome to freejobalert.com. Presentation on Union Public Service Commission Recruitment Highlights. Free Job Alert brings you the latest on the openings in central government sector. The Union Public Service Commission has issued a fresh notification against recruitment of various vacancies. Our presentation consists of all major aspects of notification in simpler manner. Just go through it. The following slides of the presentation will provide you with the details like number of vacancies, important dates, eligibility criteria, selection process, and online apply instructions. Go through them with utmost care and apply. UPPSC invites online applications for recruitment by selections of 53 vacancies under various government departments. Vacancy distribution has been tabulated for your convenience, which gives you the information on vacancies under particular ministry and also the names of posts vacant. To start with, under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, 26 examiner vacancies. Under Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region, 1 advisor horticulture vacancy. Under Ministry of Finance, 6 economic officer vacancies. Under Ministry of Home Affairs, 1 assistant director. And under the Ministry of Mines, 5 junior mining geologists. Under Planning Commission, 2 senior research officers, educational planning vacancies. And lastly, under Ministry of Water Resources, 7 scientists B chemists vacancy and 5 scientists B junior geophysicist vacancies. Amongst all above mentioned posts, the posts of examiner and scientist B are temporary, while all other posts are permanent in nature. The 2 most important dates to be remembered in the context of our presentation are the last date for online application, which is the 1st of March 2012, and the last date for the receipt of application, which is 15th March 2012. The maximum age limit for the post of examiner would be 30 years. Similarly, for advisor horticulture, 50 years. For economic officer, 30 years. For assistant director, 40 years. For junior mining geologist, 35 years. For senior research officer, educational planning, 40 years. For scientist B, chemist, 35 years. And for scientist B, junior geophysicist, 35 years. Coming to the relaxation, we can see here that SC/SC candidates have 5 years relaxation. Similarly, OBCs 3 years. Ex-servicemen, commissioned officers, extent of service rendered in defense plus 3 years. Government servants general 5 years. SC/STs 10 years. OBCs 8 years. Meritorious sports persons general 5 years. SC/STs 10 years and OBCs 8 years. For widows, divorced women and women judicially separated from husbands, general 5, SC/ST 10 and OBC 8 years. Persons domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir 5 years. PH general 5, PH SC/ST 10 and finally for OBCs 8 years relaxation. Now let us check the required educational qualification and experience for different posts. Examiner. Degree in law with 2 years experience in handling court cases and other legal matters or in handling matters of trademarks and geographical indications. Advisor, master's degree of agriculture with specialization in horticulture or master's degree in horticulture or master's degree in botany with horticulture, bachelor's degree in agriculture with PG diploma in landscape architecture or horticulture, bachelor's degree in botany with PG diploma in landscape architecture or horticulture, or bachelor's degree in horticulture with PG diploma in landscape architecture or horticulture, or any equivalent qualification, with 12 years experience in horticulture work, including ornamental gardening. Economic officer, master's degree in economics, applied economics, business economics, econometrics, of a recognized university with 2 years experience of conducting economic investigation research. Assistant Director, master's degree in mathematics with 5 years of cipher duties and responsible capacity in cipher organizations. Junior mining geologist, master's degree in geology or applied geology with 3 years experience in geological appraisal, exploration of mineral deposits. Senior Research Officer, Master's degree with 5 years experience in education, administration and research on problems connected with one or more of the following fields: teaching, research or educational planning. Scientist B, Chemist, Master's degree in chemistry with 3 years experience in chemical analysis of water samples and interpretation of relevant data. And lastly, Scientist B, Junior Geophysicist, Master's degree in physics, applied physics, radiophysics and electronics, geophysics, applied geophysics, geology, applied geology, with 3 years research or practical experience in electronic aspects of geophysical instrumentation and repairs of such instruments, or 3 years experience in actual conduct and interpretation of geophysical survey work, particularly with reference to groundwater. Now time for fee payment details. Female SC, ST and PH candidates are exempted from fee payment. Other candidates need to pay 25 rupees towards application fee. The amount of fee can be paid in cash at any branch of SBI or by using net banking facility of SBI, or else fee can also be paid using Master, credit or debit, Visa, credit or debit card. Selections in UPSC are made only on the basis of interview. But in case of number of applications being large, UPSC can take the following criteria into consideration to shortlist applicants who are to be called for interview. Higher educational qualification, higher experience, counting experience before and after acquisition of essential qualification, holding recruitment test. The list of documents which are to be sent along with ORA form are copies of certificates and mark sheets, copies of order or letter in respect of equivalent qualification, copy of experience certificate, and copy of physically handicapped certificate if applicable. Here's the list of original documents to be produced at the time of interview: proof of age, academic certificates, order or letter in respect of equivalent qualification, caste certificate and experience certificate, and physically handicapped certificates, documents supporting the change in the name after matriculation, marriage, remarriage or divorce, certificates supporting claims of relaxations, documents or certificates in any of the language other than Hindi or English. Then the transcript of the same must be duly attested by gazetted officer or a notary. Candidates selected will be appointed on probation as per rules. Now let us observe the procedure of applying for the posts online. First, candidates must pay the application fee in form of cash at SBI or by using net banking facility of SBI or by the use of Visa or Master, credit or debit card. Then log on to the upsconline.nic.in, select online recruitment application link, click on apply now link. Corresponding to the desired post to be applied for, select new registration link. Fill all the mandatory details which will be marked and click on Save and Continue button. Fill up all the details relating to academics, experience, fee payments and others. Then click on Submit button. Take the print of application form and attach photograph at its signature. Superscribe recruitment by selection on the top of envelope. Send it along with other relevant enclosures to add to the address available in the notification by hand or by post. We cordially thank you for going through our presentation on Union Public Service Commission recruitment highlights. You can post your comments or queries on our official website freejobalert.com. Once again, we thank you and have a nice day.